이해하고 싶어 춤을 끼고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 껴
sorry guys for like making this so late. So we were talking about the Webtoon site. So basically this is a free website that you can read any comics which is free, and you just have to just log in. Otherwise you can just read by directly, but it will be better for you if you log in by your mail id, because what happens if you watch some series, if you just left that, so the like your account will help you to see that which one you have left and where you left that, even like, which is very convenient if you just log in. So I mean, you don't have to spend any single penny and you don't have to buy any premium. You just have to just select the, you just have to just visit the website. You have to just log in and you have to select the language, and you have to just select your favorite genre if you want to. Otherwise you have to just select the topics, and if you aware about if you know some of the like webtoons comics like Stranger from the Hell or Sweet Home, you have to just click on that comics, or you have to search it and just start the reading. The process is very simple. You don't have to do any lots of work. It's very like normal. Even the lots of webtoons are available nowadays which is free, and some of them are like already completed and some of them are still ongoing, but it means that the writer is still writing the story, I mean next chapter. So this is kind of interesting, I would like to say. So like I'm very like, I'm kind of reader. I really like to read a books. So like in webtoons, when I read something and I can see the like beautiful images sometimes, like as I seen while I was reading the like webtoons, I always feel happy and I'm always curious. I just forget about the world. I mean, if you want to like release your stress, or if you want to just enjoy your own time, reading is a good thing. I mean, if you're reading something that you like the most, then you won't regret to you have spent this much of time to read the books. Like, reading is amazing. I've already read like lots of comics like Dr. Frost, True Beauty, and Unholy Blood, and there are many. Actually, I'm just checking the like site, and I have seen that okay, I have read most of them, like most popular one, because like while I was searching about the webtoons, I always search like most famous one. So the most of the like famous one stories already I read, but some of them are not still. Even haven't checked out, so I'm just checking right now. So I hope you like this video. Mid of them I'm really sorry, but I hope you like this video, and if you like this video, give a thumbs up and do a subscribe this channel, and give me a like suggestion that what kind of topics you want to make, you want me to make a videos, because give a comment that if you want any video. And like on webtoon, if you have any doubts, please just give a comment. I would like to like reply you. Even you can also check out my Instagram. The like I've already given the username over here. I guess you can see over here or here, like whichever is like convenient. You have to just check it out. So I hope you like this video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, guys, because we need your support. And in future I will make a like good content. I'm just working how to improve it. I'm sorry for my bad. My mouth is like not pronounce the word very clearly. I'm literally like I'm working on it to speak English fluently. I mean, at least not fluently, at least normal as the people speak. Okay, so my grammar is very bad. Actually, I know Hindi and my own language, but I'm a little bit bad at English, so I'm just want to learn that language. And I'm also learning Korean. So right now I'm learning Korean and English, which is hard, which is really hard. Like, if you are learning two language, and the sentence and the speaking style is different, the pronunciation is different. Oh my god, this is really interesting, but I really like, and the reading is a good thing, right? And if you like, you can also read the manga. Like there are many sites on the internet that you can read the comics, which is free of cost. Even I read the like business proposal. Actually, uh, I was searching in a webtoon, but I couldn't find, I guess. So actually, I just watched the like I read the complete business proposal on a website. That was amazing. I mean, I really like the story. Like I have already seen the K drama, but the story is little bit different. So if you already watch a K drama, so if you have a time, the you can read the comics. I mean that webtoon. This is still available. Actually, I couldn't find on webtoon, but I actually find out the website, so I read that. So this is enough, guys. So meet you in the next video. I hope you like this video. See you in the next video.
하고 싶어 뒤느끼고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 보면서 나